Hey everyone! In today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Buddy the Elf surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Buddy the Elf surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by taking my paper, lining up the corners, and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line the corners up one more time, and I'm going to give it another nice fold down the middle, so it's kind of like a bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing, and I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with Buddy the Elf, let's begin by drawing the nose. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a little curved line, just like this for the nose. Now for the eyes, I'm going to begin by making a circle right here, and then I'm going to draw another circle right here. Inside each circle, I'm going to make a smaller circle, and I'm going to color that in, leaving just a little bit white for the reflection. Next, I'm going to draw a line above each eye for the eyebrows. Now, right across the top, I'm going to make some big, bumpy lines like this for his hair. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then I'm going to bring this line down and then up here. And then I'll put a little curved line right here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line on each side. And I'll draw a little line down for the ear. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a bunch of big, bumpy lines all the way around here for his hair. So I'm going to bring these all the way back down to the other ear. Now right here, let's make the hat. I'll begin by drawing a line that's going to come up and then over. And then a little line that curves up and comes back. Next, I'll draw a couple little lines on here that curve up. And then a little line down here on the feather. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve up. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then another one down. So it kind of looks like an upside down V. Next, I'll draw a line that comes up and in, and same thing here, up and then in. I'll draw a line that comes down, and then a line that comes down here, and a line that comes down here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we have this opened up, we have two halves of our Buddy the Elf. Now, let's start up here by drawing a line that's going to come down past that fold, and same thing here. And we'll do it over here too. We'll draw a line up and a line up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line here and a little line here. And we'll draw a line that comes down and then up for a nice big smile. And starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up for another smile for the top and the bottom. Now, right across here, I'm going to make some lines that come down and up for Buddy's teeth. So we're just going to draw some lines that just go down and up. And then we'll do the same thing right across the bottom. We'll just make some lines that just go down and up all the way across here. And then I'll make a line that comes up and down, and then up and back down for the tongue. Now let's draw some stuff inside of here. First, I'm going to make his little hammer. So I'm going to begin by making a line that goes up like this at an angle, and then one that goes up like this. We'll draw 2 lines to connect it, and then a line on each side. I'll draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up, and then a little shape right here at the top. Next, I'll draw a little oval shape here, and I'll make a little square on top for a bottle of syrup. I'll make a line that comes down on each side. And I'll draw a line that's going to go out and down, and then same thing here, out and then down. Curve it across here. We'll make a little curved line here, and then a larger one for the handle on our bottle of syrup. I'll make a line that goes over, down, and then curves over. And then I'm going to make some kind of wavy lines right here so it looks like there's syrup flying out of there. And then the last thing we're going to do is let's put some spaghetti down here. So I'm going to begin by making 3 little circles. So I'll make 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll make a wavy line, just like this. And then I'll make another wavy line like this. I'll put some dots on here where the meatballs would be. And then for the noodles, I'm just going to draw a couple little curved lines like this. Then I'll have some going the other directions. And we'll make some kind of long, curvy ones over here. Next, let's just go ahead and draw this line down. We're going to jump over the syrup bottle, and we'll connect it here. And then same thing here, we'll just draw this down, jump over the hammer, and we'll come right down to here. Then all we have to do is connect the sides of the face. So we're just going to draw a line down. And same thing here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Buddy the Elf surprise fold. When it's all folded up, we've got Buddy the Elf. And then when we open it up, his mouth is open and there's a bunch of stuff flying out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.